Hello. Today now we are talking about some important character sketch and the suitability of title of the story The Open Window, written by H. Munro. Mrs. Sapleton lived in the countryside with her husband's brother and niece. She was always a cheerful lady and kept her house clean and tidy. Her husband and others often brought dust and spoiled their carpets, especially when they came back after shooting. She kept the window open, and her husband and others came through the window. She must have been nice to Nuttall's sister when she had been here for 4 years ago. Mr. Nuttall came with a letter of introduction for Mrs. Sapleton. Her niece Vera lived with her. She was very sharp and intelligent young girl of 15. Mrs. Sapleton knew that Vera could amuse a guest very well. The story Open Window is a very well constructed story, and Vera moves very careful in her plan to frighten away Mr. Frampton Nuttall. He starts telling her tale very early in the story, and she begins after confirming that Mr. Nuttall is perfect stranger and knows nothing about Mrs. Sapleton. She bases her tale on the open window, saying, "You may wonder why we kept that window wide open on an October afternoon." In a long paragraph, the longest in the this story, she almost finishes her tale about what she calls Mrs. Appleton's tragedy. She is a good actor and uses her ability in frightening Mr. Nuttall at every step. Mrs. Appleton comes and she speaks about open window. "I hope you don't mind the open window." Soon Mr. Sapleton and other appear coming home after their shooting. Vera looks through the window with dazed horror in her eyes. Frampton also sees through the open window. He sees the three men coming. He is sure they are ghosts and run away. Mr. Sapleton and other come through the window. Thus, the open window is the center of attraction for all the three persons present at the home. Vera tells about the window is kept open, giving it importance. Hence, the title of the story is very suitable. The story appears frightening when we think of its effect on Mr. Frampton Nuttall, who is patient to nervousness. He comes here to cure his nerves, following the advice of his doctor, who had told him that a change of place and environment might be beneficial to uh, him and his nerves. However, Mr. Nuttall gets the most possible experiences at the place almost immediately after coming here. He must have suffered a lot. We are reminded of what his sister had said to him when he was coming here. "You will bury yourself down there and not speak to a living soul, and your nerves will be worse than ever from mopping." She had given a letter of introduction. We are sure his nerves must have been worse than what his sister had feared. Her letter of introduction to Mr. Sapleton was no avail. In fact, he would have been better if he had not come here. There is irony here. This makes the story frightening for the reader, otherwise, it is funny and we enjoyed Vera's jokes. She played with Mr. Nuttall. We are surprised at her genius regarding inventing tales at once. Here, this is important. This Veera's character is much more important in this story, and his intelligence and his immediate invention of tales is very genius, made her a very genius character. Veera's joke, which she played with Mr. Nuttall, are surprised us on her genius. She is furious and also a humorous character in this story. Uh, this makes and his tales makes the frightening for the readers also, not only the Mr. Nuttall, but it at the end of the story, the reader came out from that fright and that horror, but Mr. Nuttall couldn't come back from that horror which Veera created by telling her the tales. Thus, this story and its title, The Open Window, totally suits to this story and the character of Veera. Thank